What's going on, Dane?
Hey, I'm Captain Dane I'm down here in Key West with Salt Life. I'm down here getting my spear guns ready. Grouper season's getting ready to open. It's my favorite time of year. Really like to get out there and get some nice black groupers. So I'm just getting all my gear together and getting my bag, my guns, my dive pin, my mask, my wetsuit. Just going over everything and making sure I'm ready to go out there.
What gun is that, Dane?
It's a 54 LTD Mahogany. That's one of my favorite guns right there. I really enjoy shooting this gun. Makes me smile a lot. I got a little line on there, so I do some line gun action. So let's let the party begin. That's a 48 special. This is the one I like to use a lot when I scuba dive. Got the weight here. Put some weight in the handles, helps keep it from floating after you shoot it. Or another way is too, after you shoot a fish and the spear's out, then you can put your arm through the rubber and hold it. Nothing worse than the gun floating to the top after you shoot a fish. This is a 54 BILLER Floridian. I really like this gun. It's got a little bigger shaft on it. It's got 2 bands. It's got a lot of power. When you're shooting some big fish, you got that big spear going in them. So if you're ready to step it up to the next level and try and get some bigger fish, highly recommend this right here.
Which gun is that, Dane?
That's a 42 special AV BILLER free shaft, 1 band.
Dane, what's going on?
Hey, this is Captain Dane here in Key West. I just wanted to go over some spearfishing stuff with you. I was just down at the Salt Life retail shop down there, and they just started carrying Cressy spear guns. So I picked one up. I really like this little gun. It's a Cressy 75 Cherokee. European handle. It's easy to cock. It's got a small shaft. I can swing it around the water real good. This is fantastic for down here for shooting mangrove snapper, muttons. It's got a nice little range on it. Very, very accurate. You can look straight down the gun, and you know, you can get a lot of real good headshots with this gun. So if you're down here in Key West, stop by the Salt Life retail store on Duval Street there and get you a nice little gun to go out and, you know, collect you some nice fish for dinner.